Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming both accounts are active in the Fortnite lobby. This matters because split screen is tied to a second logged-in account. Once done, tell the second player to open their profile or party menu immediately. You'll need them to leave or sign out. Make sure you remain on the lobby screen and avoid loading a match. This first actionable step kicks off the only reliable removal. The second account must exit the session so the game can collapse back to a single-player view. Now have the second player navigate to their party or profile menu and select Leave Party or Sign Out. This tells Fortnite to remove the second split-screen client. If the menu is slow or unresponsive, you can briefly disconnect the second controller, unplug USB or turn off Bluetooth, then reconnect after the lobby resets. Make sure you watch the lobby. Once the second account exits, the UI will automatically recenter and the screen will merge back into a single view. If it doesn't, proceed to finish by confirming the lobby is single player. If split screen still shows, close Fortnite completely and relaunch the client while only signing in with the primary account. Once the game restarts, you'll return to a normal single screen lobby. As a key troubleshooting tip, if a guest or second profile won't sign out, remove that guest profile from the console system settings and then relaunch Fortnite. This forces the game to drop the split session. Make sure to reconnect controllers only after the lobby is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.